Good communication necessary?
Yes, it's necessary. Good communication helps us explain our new ideas easily. It helps people understand each other. It saves time and makes talks clear.
How can we develop good communication skills?
We can improve reading and speaking more. Reading and speaking help us learn new words. Help us. This gives us confidence to talk with each other.
Do you like parties?
Yes, I like parties. I go to many parties like birthday and farewell parties. Parties make me meet new people. I enjoy talking with friends and making new friends there.
What kind of parties do you want to go?
I don't like boring parties. I don't like boring parties. I don't go to parties where no music or no dance. I also avoid parties where at someone homes.
What do you do in your spare time?
I go to watch movie or a restaurant with my friends. If I stay home, I help my family. Sometimes I watching TV and playing games.
Tell me about TV program that you find interesting.
I like Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. It is a comedy show. It makes me laugh and feeling happy. Watching it helps me forget stress and tiredness.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV. Watching TV is fun for me. It helps me relax after a busy day. I watching TV helps learning programs and comedy shows.
Do you think TV is useful?
Yes, TV is useful. Watching TV, we can learn new things from TV. Housewives can cook many recipes and learn new recipes. Old people can show religious shows. We can show news what and why.
How much time do you spend watching TV?
I watch a TV 1 or 2 hour. I think it is so enough. Watching too much TV is not good for health.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports. I watching sports many sports on TV. They keeps us strong and active. Sports are make our healthy.